morning everybody. Today we will study the electric field and the electric potential. First we see the electric field. Now here we know that the charge are of two types, positive charge and negative charge. And we also know during our characteristic of the charge that two charges of like behavior will repel each other and the charges of unlike behavior attract each other. That means that shows that there is the certain influences between the two charges, and if the charge are of same character, they repel each other. That means the one charge will show its influence to the other and the other also show the influence to the first one, and that's why they have a tendency to move away. Similarly, it is the case with the unlike charge also, and that influence to attract each other, that is the influence which is show the field of the charge. So here first we write the definition of the electric field. Electric field, it is the space or the region. It is the space or region of a charged particle due to which it is the space or the region of a charged particle within which its influence is obtained or influence is felt on the other charged particle, or influence felt on other charged particle. Now again we understand this electric field. It is the space or the region of a charged particle within which its influence can be obtained or felt, whether that means felt on the other charged particle. Now we have to understand, हमको समझना है कि फील्ड क्या होता है. वो एक स्ट्रेंथ है. फील्ड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज स्ट्रेंथ. फील्ड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इंटेंसिटी. दैट स्ट्रेंथ, दैट इन्फ्लुएंस to the other, how strong it is, that means how strong the field is, and that strongness, intensity depends on the charged particle, and that charged particle is known as source charged particle. Now see here that for the electric field we have a definition that it is the space or the region within which region of the charged particle within which its influence can be obtained or felt. Now we have to understand, suppose this is the positive charge and it has a influences up to this level. This is the field of influence of this positive charge. This is the field. Now if any test charge, this is the charge plus q, if any test charge of certain value, that may be the unit, so unit value of the test charge when placed in the space or region of the source charge then this test charge will experience certain force, will experience this test charge will experience a certain force, and due to that force it will move outward, because both are the like charge, both are similar charge, like charge, that it is, this one is also positive, this is also positive. So on that case the force will act, and this force is known as repulsion or repulsive force. Repulsive force. Now some more points to be noted, that the electric field is represented by the symbol electric field is represented by E, and it is a vector quantity. Electric field is a vector quantity, and field is the space or the region where the charge shows its influence over the another test charge, and that influence, this repulsion is the influence, that is the effect that act over the test charge, and this, due to this influence, that it has the field. This is the field, suppose this one is the field. How much is the influence is here, how much is the force acting on the test charge? So on that case we will get the force of repulsion is equal to the test charge into the electric field. So by this we can calculate the electric field also, how much is the force experienced by the test charge to the, that it represents the electric field, and this is the force to the test charge. Test charge, it is the Q naught. And further, since I told earlier that this is the test charge and its value is unit, and this is the source charge which is much greater than the test charge. Here Q, capital Q plus is greater than the test charge plus Q. This is of unit value. So the influence or the effect we observe on the test charge, not the source charge. So this test charge is the value of very minimum, so it is represented as limit, and this test charge have a tendency to 0 for the force experienced by the test charge Q naught. This will give the definition of the measured value of the electric field of the source charge. Now again, to understand, electric field is what? It is the space or the region of the charge within which its influence can be felt or observed or obtained. Now how we understand this? This is the charge plus charge, and if the test charge will come in between or close to the test charge, source charge, on that case it will experience certain force, certain effect, and that influence, that effect, here we observe it is the repulsive force, and the force value is the field strength to the point. Let it be the point P. ये अगर P पॉइंट है, इस P पॉइंट पे कितना फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ है और इस टेस्ट चार्ज पे कितना एक्ट कर रहा है, यही दोनों का प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? फोर्स होगा। और ये फोर्स एक इन्फ्लुएंस है जो किसी के फील्ड में आने से हुआ, ठीक है? दैट इज द इफेक्ट, दैट इज द फील्ड, दैट इज द इन्फ्लुएंस। अगर मान लेते हैं ये फील्ड निगेटिव है तो यहां पर क्या होगा? एट्रैक्शन होगा। सपोज करो या अगर ये सोर्स निगेटिव है तो ये एट्रैक्शन होगा, फिर वहां पर एक फोर्स उसको टान रहा है, दैट इज अनदर इन्फ्लुएंस, एंड दैट्स रिप्रेजेंट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। Now the next thing we must know, that is the electric potential. Just now how it is electric potential. electric potential, to understand this one, it is very simple. Potential in mechanism, potential generally we can say the potential is the mgh. Potential is the energy. Just see, this is the material, this is the pen that we just leave this one. It is at the surface, at my palm. It will not hurt to me. But whenever we bring this one to a certain height, it may give certain jerk on my hand. If I bring this one to the top floor of the building and then we free this one, this pen, this may damage my hand. This may harm. How it happened? That means gradually when we do the work on the pen to bring it to the height of the certain place, that work, for that work is stored in the pen in the form of potential energy. Potential to that of the body. एनर्जी इस बॉडी का हुआ. देखो यहां पर अगर एक स्टोन है और वो सरफेस पे रखा हुआ है, इससे हमको कोई चोट नहीं लगेगा. लेकिन अगर ये स्टोन को हम उठा करके सर्टेन हाइट पे ले जाते हैं, that will make the mgh height, that is the potential energy. और इसको हाइट अगर h1 के जगह हम हाइट को और बढ़ा दें तो एनर्जी फिर mgh2 हो गया. और अगर h2 is greater than h1, so potential energy यहाँ पर potential energy will increase. P1 here potential energy 2. So what we say here, the potential energy second is greater than the potential energy of first. How it happened? That means there is the work on the stone, there is the work on the body. इस बॉडी में काम हुआ. क्या काम हुआ? टू ब्रिंग दिस वन टू ए हाइट. उसको हाइट पे ले जाने में काम किए और वही काम किस में चला गया? तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के रूप में आ गया. सेम कंडीशन, सेम चीज हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल में भी रखते हैं, देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं. कैसे? देखो बेटा. नाउ सबसे पहले पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या है? इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन to bring a positive charge from infinity to a point, in an electric field against the electrostatic force without acceleration. Potential energy, electric potential. क्या है potential, electric potential? The amount of work done, the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from कहां से? From infinity to the point in an electric field, in an electric field against the electrostatic force without acceleration. Now this is the definition, and this is the, to understand this definition, the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to a point. Let's suppose any charge is placed at the infinity, and this is the charge which have the field of electric field E. Suppose the charge is here, the test charge, unit positive test charge, unit positive unit positive discharge, and that is at the infinity, at the distance of infinity. Infinity means it does not show any the place where there is no field of the source charge, then it is termed as the infinity. Is it clear? So that is out of the field of this charge. Now we bring this test charge, Q naught to the point. Suppose the point is here and this is the point P. So on that case, there is the force of repulsion. Just we understand कि चार्ज को अगर फील्ड में रखते हैं तो उस पे फोर्स लगता है, दैट विल एक्सपीरियंस सर्टेन फोर्स। तो जैसे हम इस चार्ज को यहां से इस पॉइंट पे लाएंगे, दैट मींस वी हैव टू डू वर्क फॉर व्हाट? वर्क अगेंस्ट द फोर्स applied by the source charge, against the force applied by the source charge। और सोर्स चार्ज को आपने प्लस क्यू लिया है, इसके अगेंस्ट में वर्क कर रहे हैं और इसको जबरदस्ती का हम यहां ला रहे हैं, मतलब हम इसको ला करके इस पी पॉइंट पे रख रहे हैं। किसको? टेस्ट चार्ज को। क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि अगर हम यहां पे छोड़ेंगे ये फिर भाग जाएगा ड्यू टू रिपल्सन। मींस अगेंस्ट एक फोर्स जो एक्ट कर रहा है, फील्ड के द्वारा जो फोर्स एक्ट कर रहा है, उसके अगेंस्ट हमने वर्क किया और यहां पर इस पार्टिकल को ला करके रखे, इस चार्ज को ला करके रखे। ठीक है? सो दैट वर्क to the charge will be the energy stored, will be the electric potential। so इस पॉइंट का, इस P पॉइंट का एनर्जी कितना है? तो उतनी ही वो एनर्जी है जितना आप वर्क के रूप में कर रहे हैं। दैट एनर्जी इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द वर्क। अगर इसमें यहां पर जितना एनर्जी है उतनी एनर्जी अगर हम यहां लगाएंगे इस चार्ज को पी पॉइंट पे लाने के लिए, तो वही इस चार्ज में पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के रूप में रहेगा, दैट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। सो द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इन मूविंग ए यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज और इन ब्रिंगिंग भी कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू द पॉइंट in an electric field against the electrostatic force, and that force is against the force tendency is outward। फोर्स की टेंडेंसी क्या है? बाहर की ओर। और हम काम किधर कर रहे हैं? अंदर ला रहे हैं। इस फोर्स के अगेंस्ट हम फोर्स लगा रहे हैं और वही फोर्स टू दैट ऑफ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्क, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी दैट विल स्टे एट द चार्ज, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल टू दैट पॉइंट। क्योंकि इस पॉइंट पे लाने में उतनी एनर्जी लग रहा है जितना इस पॉइंट का एनर्जी है। फिर से सुनो और समझो, इस पॉइंट में लाने में जितना एनर्जी आप लगा रहे हो वही एनर्जी इस पॉइंट में है, एंड दैट इज द पोटेंशियल, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। इज इट क्लियर? और अब हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? द पोटेंशियल का सिंबल होता है इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को हम V से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। V आपको क्या मिला? दैट इज द वर्क टू व्हाट? वर्क टू ब्रिंग द चार्ज Q नॉट। सो बहुत आसानी से हम लिख दिए V इज इक्वल टू वर्क टू द टेस्ट चार्ज। और जनरल में करते हैं तो वर्क टू द चार्ज। तो इसी को हम अगर टेस्ट चार्ज को Q नॉट नहीं लेकर के हम Q नॉट को Q के बराबर कर दें तो वही पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू वर्क टू द Q हो गया। अब इसको अगर हम देखें तो हमको यूनिट भी मिल गया और दो यूनिट मिल गया। एक तो हम पोटेंशियल को वोल्ट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज द वोल्ट, और दूसरा जूल पर कूलम। दोनों यूनिट हमको यहां मिल गया, तो हम यहां लिख सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज द SI यूनिट potential is equal to volt, or 1 volt that is equal to 1 joule to the 1 coulomb, that is 1 joule per coulomb. तो ये ऐसा यूनिट भी हमको मिल गया, और इससे हम रिप्रेजेंट भी कर सकते हैं कि 1 volt is may be defined as the amount of work done of 1 joule energy of 1 joule to bring a body, to bring a charge from infinity to a point, bring a charge of 1 coulomb from infinity to a point will represent 1 volt. So 1 volt is what? That is the amount of work done, the amount of work of 1 volt is defined as 1 volt, that is defined as the amount of 1 joule work done in moving a 1 coulomb charge from infinity to a point in an electric field, against the electrostatic force without acceleration, So we come to we know about what actually the electric field and how we define the electric potential. In the next class we will discuss, we come to know, we will study regarding the electric potential difference and Ohm's law. Thank you.